How's the bougie coffee?
It's really good.
Pinkies up. It is pretty bougie.
Can I have a sip? What is it?
Oat milk latte.
Alright, we are now going to make energy pancakes, and this is my cooking assistant, Peric McSquealy. So Kesley had a bit of a rough night last night, so I'm gonna make her this Four Sigmatic creamy latte. This is the coffee you're gonna have.
Yes, please.
Reenact it. Okay, go. Come back.
I got it.
You're such a nerd.
So simple. You rip, you dump.
You pour, and then you stir, and then you drink.
Would if I added like soy milk or almond milk, would that be weird?
No, I don't think so, but I think it already has coconut milk in it.
Oh, perfect.
Just pretend. Who wants to flip this for me so I can film it?
Alright, I'm on it.
Grab a spatch.
This one?
Is it ready?
Sierras and all.
Oh, Eric, what?
It's fine, perfect. That's how you're supposed to do it.
On top of the other pancake?
Yeah, it gives it a little love. It transfers that beauty to it.
Don't even start. You
Come on.
You ruined.
Smoke follows beauty.
This video is graciously sponsored by one of my favorite brands, Four Sigmatic, and if you click the link below, you get 15% off your first order. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you've heard of Four Sigmatic because everyone is talking about them, but with good reason. I genuinely use these products daily because they're packed with extra nutrition from medicinal mushrooms, and Four Sigmatic really takes the guesswork and intimidation factor out of the whole medicinal mushroom thing. Four Sigmatic products are made with these powerhouse mushrooms from lion's mane to chaga to reishi. And if you've never heard of these mushrooms before and you've only heard of shiitake or button mushrooms, look them up because they have amazing benefits for our health. Four Sigmatic has these drinks that you can just mix with hot water to create a coffee or a tea with an extra nutritional punch, and also elixirs that you can add to food, or you can also drink with hot water themselves. So when we camp, I don't like to eat all that unhealthy. I like to keep it healthy still, and that's something I like about Four Sigmatic because it keeps it really easy to maintain a nutritional, value in my meals and actually bring it up a notch while we're camping. And it's so simple. We like to hike and run and jump into high altitude lakes every single day. So for that, we need a lot of energy. I like to eat and drink these cordyceps mushroom powders because cordyceps give you lots of energy without the caffeine. This morning I made us all pancakes using the mixture I made at home ahead of time. It's a recipe from Caitlin at From My Bowl, and my one modification is that I added some cordyceps mushroom elixir from Four Sigmatic, and guys, it does not make your pancakes taste like mushrooms or anything. It just tastes like the thing you're cooking it with, and these were super delicious. We had fruit on the side, some granola, topped it with maple syrup, and we were ready for our day and pumped up because of those cordyceps. For our little adventure that day, we went to a lake to jump off rocks and enjoy the amazing weather. We all brought our lunches, and I made myself a classic peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I think a lot of people made that actually, and I also brought my pre-made energy balls to share, and these also had more cordyceps mushroom powder in them, and then I had some pistachios for a little snack. When we got back to the campsite, I was in charge of dinner that night, so I made one of our favorite meals, something we call hummusadilles. It's literally just tortillas with hummus spread in the middle and then grill them on top of the pan. I like to make my own hummus for this recipe because the hummus is thicker, which just works better for the dillas. It's so simple and it grills it up, and it's a real crowd pleaser. Everyone loves it. And then you can top these with guacamole and salsa and hot sauce, and that's the whole meal. And I really like to keep things pretty simple when camping to reduce the amount of dishes I have to clean up afterwards, because cleaning while camping is doable, but it is a bit of a challenge. This is Jarek, and he's as passionate about Four Sigmatic as I am. So what are we making tonight?
Some reishi, hot cocoa.
What's reishi good for?
Just chill. If you want to just chill, you don't want any late night energy, caffeine, you want to be able to go to bed. It's the best.
Let's do it. Okay, so why don't you dump it in the... Do the shake?
Gotta get it all out.
I know, it's valuable stuff. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, Jordan, get your brother.
Hey, Jordan.
Cheers. Rishi. Okay, now we'll just go. This isn't the thing you want to party around the campfire, though. But you guys have a big run tomorrow.
Yeah, 28 miles.
And what will you be drinking before your big run?
Cordyceps. Cordyceps.
I didn't even pay them to say that. They just said it on their own. No. Okay, someone tell the story. Cynthia, what happened?
Okay, Jared once again was on bear patrol and he saw
Jordan.
Jordan. We clanged loudly and then he went to another site and then all of a sudden I look around because I heard something in your trunk and sure enough the bear was inside your trunk.
And what did it steal?
And he got
the only thing, the Four Sigmatic coffee. But he didn't take it with him. I don't know why.
Yeah. No, he's sweet. He looked like a sweet
He got
little
his
dog.
fix.
but-
You only need a little bit.
You only need a little bit.
Yeah.
But that was honestly so scary. Hold on.
He was right there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now, girl, now your coffee grounds be everywhere.
You put rosé in my hair.
Dude, now
Hey, what's up? We're back from our camping trip and it is so hot in our house. We don't have air conditioning. I'm not complaining or anything. I'm just saying. Thank you so much for watching my video about camping. Camping is one of my favorite things in the world and we do it every year and it's the best, and that's my cat. And this is just a reminder to go check out the Four Sigmatic products that I really love. I personally use the Lion's Mane Mushroom Coffee pretty much every day lately. And if you click the link below, you get 15% off your first order. Have a fantastic day. Go eat some vegan food and go camping before it turns winter all of a sudden and you can't anymore, because it is life. Camping is life, and I'm sad that I'm home a little bit because I wish I was still in the mountains. I think I'm a mountain person.